Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the video moderated problem in Grok AI. So if your videos keep getting blocked or moderated, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Manage Apps or All Apps, depending on your device. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Grok AI to find the app and open the app from the list. Once you're inside Grok AI's settings, tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This clears any temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the moderation error. Once that's done, go back and close the Settings app completely. Now, we need to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger the video moderated error. After you followed all the steps, reopen the Grok app and check if the error calling video moderated problem is fixed. And that's it. This is the easiest way to fix the video moderated problem in Grok AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.